Morning to all of you. I'm here to share with you information about Indian Army's success in neutralizing an attempt by Pakistan to infiltrate terrorists into India across the line of control. Our troops along the line of control in Nagaum sector detected suspicious movement originating from Pakistani posts in the area. Appropriate response by troops on ground was taken to eliminate the two terrorists who were trying to infiltrate into our area by cutting the anti-infiltration fence. The heavily armed terrorists, dressed in combat fatigues, had taken the route through Pakistani posts in the area opposite, which clearly indicates Pakistan complicity in abetment to fomenting terror in India. Action of own troops was precise and timely, thereby ensuring a clean operation. Recoveries from the slain terrorists, which we'll be sharing separately with you, includes 2 AK assault rifles with 12 filled magazines, a pistol, magazines, some grenades. In addition to the food and medicines, we also have recovered about 1.5 lakhs in Indian and Pakistani currency. The search operations are still underway in the area to sanitize. The infiltration attempt follows similar attempts made by Pakistan in Kupwara and Rajouri sectors in recent past and needs to be seen in the backdrop of various inputs about increased presence of terrorists in the launch pad across the line of control, fully facilitated and supported by Pakistan Army. Indian Army remains fully committed in its resolve to maintain the sanctity of line of control, and any trans-LC movement shall meet similar or appropriate response. The Dagger Division on its part, or for that matter, Indian Army, is ready along the line of control as well as in the hinterland. I'll now take on about 3 or 4 questions.
Sir, what's the present status of infiltration and infiltrators along the line of control?
See, the inputs indicate that about, I would like to put a figure to that, the launch pads are fully occupied, and if we have to hazard a guess, it could be anything between 250 to 300 terrorists presently occupying the launch pads opposite.
So, sir, how many infiltrators have been utilized by the forces if we talk about this year, and also how do you see the summer of 2020?
See, the details of infiltration bits foiled shall be shared with you subsequently. And if we see, what do I foresee for the summer, if we have to forecast? See, Pakistan has been failing in its attempt to instigate the people of Kashmir. The people have by and large rejected the narrative of Pakistan. And ever since we had the momentous decision of August last year, they have been trying very hard. So, and they also know the season is coming to an end very soon. I mean, just 3 or 4 months is what they have. So they shall try their best to push in the terrorists. And as I said, Indian Army is ready and waiting.
Sir, as far as today's infiltration bid that was...
See, the ammunition is about 350 rounds of ammunition with 2 terrorists, 2 weapons and grenades, some electronic switches as well. So whether they were intending to have a particular spectacular strike, that's more in the realm of speculation. I mean, the people who are trying to do it are slain.
So any outfit where you think that they can be of the area of the judge?
See, the major, as of now, the identity of the terrorists or the tanzeem to that which they belong is still being ascertained, and we shall be sharing with the list of recoveries, we'll be sharing it with you separately.
So can you see there were more infiltrators, that's why the searches are going on?
So I didn't get your question.
Sir, are there more infiltrators in that area? That's why the search operations are being carried?
See, this particular attempt was 2 terrorists were detected. Whether they were part of a larger force or they were just the scouts, it's, I said, more in the realm of speculation, and we're still searching the area.
So, what the latest?
Ladakh is a separate sector. It is being dealt with the forces that are deployed there. All we can say is the developments in Ladakh have no relation to dilution or otherwise of the stance, Army's position in this part of Kashmir.
Sir,
देखिए, इन्फिल्ट्रेशन अगर आप देखें तो कुछ टाइम पहले राजौरी में एक इन्फिल्ट्रेशन अटैम्प्ट की गई थी ट्राई, उसके बाद कुपवाड़ा में की गई है। तो ये एक पाकिस्तान का डिज़ाइन है, इसमें कुछ नया कुछ नहीं है। और रही बात सीज़ फायर वायलेशंस की, पाकिस्तान आर्मी सीज़ फायर का इस्तेमाल, वायलेशन का इस्तेमाल करती है ताकि हमारे ट्रुप्स जो कि बॉर्डर पर डिप्लॉयड हैं उनका अटेंशन डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो काउंटर इन्फिल्ट्रेशन टास्क से। लेकिन इंडियन आर्मी हैज़ सो फार बीन वेरी सक्सेसफुल। क्योंकि मैं बारामूला में हूँ और मैं नॉर्थ कश्मीर की बात करूँगा अभी। अगर आप देखें, नॉर्थ कश्मीर का एक अलग डायनामिक है साउथ कश्मीर से। नॉर्थ कश्मीर का जो आवाम है उसने बाय एंड लार्ज टेररिस्ट नैरेटिव को डिस्कार्ड किया है। You well know how much of traction terrorists have got in the recent calls for disruption of normal life in Baramulla and North Kashmir. The fact is they haven't got any traction. And it is basically the people of North Kashmir who have rejected the agenda. And the army, the CAPF, at this stage I wouldn't like to hazard a guess about the number of terrorists which are active in North Kashmir. I think I'll have to get back to you. I am not really prepared for that.
सर रिसेंटली एजीपी कश्मीर ने एक जैन की नेता
देखिए, अगर आप इन्फिल्ट्रेशन की हिस्ट्री देखें तो जाहिर है ये महीने जबकि बर्फ़ पिघल जाती है मूवमेंट ज़्यादा पॉसिबल होती है। और पाकिस्तान की कोशिश ये रहेगी कि अगले 2-4 महीने में, क्योंकि अब तक उनको कोई सपोर्ट नहीं मिला है कश्मीर के अवाम से, उनकी कोशिश रहेगी कि बचे हुए 2-3 महीनों में, इससे पहले स्नोफॉल शुरू हो, मैक्सिमम टेररिस्ट को पुश इन किया जा सके। is a dynamic process which is changed in coordination with the various inputs being received. So as of now, if certain inputs are being received, so people are maintaining high alert. That's all for the safety of the people.